Alrighty, you guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And today, you guys, I just ordered these new lights for inside my car, so that way I don't want to have that yellowish basic. Today I want to show you how you can upgrade your Doom inside lights. So instead of having this factory already yellowish, go ahead and leave a link in the description below so you guys can go check those out. So it's very simple, you guys. Really, it's nothing that you need to spend 10 or fuck this plane. It's always get that clean ass look on your Honda Accord. So really, you know, you can go ahead and buy a little plastic thing so you won't be scratching this or damaging it. But really, bro, go ahead and get a flathead and then taper on it. Hey, it does the job. So very simple, you guys. All you really have to do is make sure, if you're gonna go all the way up in it, you make sure you face it towards left so it looks like it's coming off. And if it comes off, I'll go ahead and show the other one. That way it's easy if you want. And sometimes you might need to do a couple of little times to loosen it up, but it should pop out. Okay, so it should be like that. See, but right there, that's where you want to get out. Go ahead and give it a little pull, a little squishy pull, and then down so you can come towards you. There you go. So then once you take that one out, you can go ahead and insert the other one in. All you do is push in. That's correctly. Oh, that right there is 10 times better than that crap right there. So once you do that, you can go ahead and do it for the other side. And as well as also, I'm going to show you how you do it on the back one as well. Back one as well. I don't know if you guys see that. So you guys can go ahead, do the exact same thing. Go ahead and pull it out with your flathead. Make sure you don't break it in the process of it. God, bro. There you go. Once you do that, Jesus, they're like freaking hot. Okay, and be careful while you're doing it, because I'm telling you, they are small bulbs, but Jesus Christ, they're hot as heck. Oh, woo. Ah, you little fucker, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a different angle with my phone. So what I meant is, by pulling it down, you literally have to get the light bulb and then down, and it should come out very easily. It's inserted in. Boom, all the way in, and then if magic works, boom. And as simple as it is, easy. Grab the plastic thing, snap in, and boom. So after you guys finish installing both of them, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install the back ones as well. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm in the back. I like to have this on off, so that way, because it gets super hot. It was easy. There you go. And this just easily come off. And that right there is where you need to take off the little bulb right there. So once you got the bulb out, you can go ahead and get the newer one that you can install. And that one you can just easily just slide in. Just like that. And if you want to give it a little test, you can. I'll maybe get away from it. And boom. Just grab that little plastic thing, and you just slide that baby right back in. That goes in the most, and then you just push in until you hear the snaps. Just snap right in. And for the final product, that's what you should end up with. And turn on the other ones. And now that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is so fucking beautiful. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video, and I hope you guys learned something new, learned something easy, and to do it on your own. And I need to edit this video. You guys have a great night. Oh yeah, go sub. We're on that road to 1,000 subscribers. You guys have a great night.